Today, I'll be cooking a healthier version of pancit canton. I'm gonna try and make something else instead of this. Butter. Carrots. More butter. Okay, so while that's cooking, I'm gonna do my mixture, wet mixture. Let's use soy sauce, vinegar. I'm just eyeballing it. Sesame oil, hoisin sauce, and some onion powder and garlic powder. And then let's add the cabbage. Okay na yan. It's time to boil the water for the noodles. Now we're boiling the noodles. I like it al dente. So siguro parang mga 2 minutes lang. I think okay na siya. Okay, okay na yan. Drain. Okay. Put it back in the stove. Yes. To mix lang. And then yung sauce na. So this is our dinner. I know it looks very messy, but yeah, I didn't mix it yet because I think Frelin would want to use this ones. So we'll separate it. And we've got boiled eggs as well. Yay! Okay, that's it. Kain! Uh-oh. Gusto ko yung real. I hope it's yummy. I prefer to make my own sauce kasi hindi ko alam. Kasi every time na kumakain ako ng ganito, gamit yung seasoning. After parang nasusuka ako. Kaya, yeah. Okay. Egg. Sana masarap siya. Nilagyan ko din siya ng isang lime kasi isa lang yung bunga na pwede kong ma-harvest. Pwede namin ma-harvest today. Please be good.
Will be good.
Please be good. Okay.
So good.
Buti na lang may isang lime. Yun yung mas nagpasarap. Okay, beautiful. Manja!
Mangiare. Buon appetit. Buon appetit.
Mm.